Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and plant. I have these green onions. I cut off the tops and cooked with them, and I left the stalks at the bottom here. So I want to go ahead and plant them. So basically regrowing, I'll be regrowing spring onions from this bunch right here. I think there are 6. Yeah. So after I cut them, I used them a few days ago. I wasn't ready to plant them yet, so I put them in some water, and if you can see, some are already starting to grow out. That right there, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and plant them in this bed right here, in this space right here. We'll see what we get. We'll see what grows. So this is just a quick video. So let's see. Let's go ahead and get it done. So I've laid them out. I'm digging about 2 inches, maybe 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches into the ground. I was gonna get some seeds to plant these bunching onions, but I decided to go ahead and just reuse this that I bought from the store. And they should grow, should be fine. If they're not, then I'll get some seeds for the spring garden. This is the first one. I won't fertilize today. I'll fertilize in a couple of days once I see we have growth. But I'll go ahead and water them right now. So, be back. So here on the side, I have some red onions right there. Another one here. Okay, that's enough water. That's it. how it looks. That's how they look. Okay. See, they're starting to grow out. Okay. All right, I'll stop this right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.